Okay, so I literally am working because I work from home now, and y'all see my ass? Oh, I'm working from home now, and I just realized it's Vlogmas. It's freaking Vlogmas. Today is the 2nd. I kind of see my ass. I was not realizing that it's Vlogmas, y'all. I'm not even doing anything today, but we are here. It's gonna be a short vlog though, because I'm not really doing anything. I am working right now and trying to just put dates in my calendar that are a little importante, you know. Got the hair up. Yeah, it's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. So now we're going to be outside. Alright. So I think I am gonna go roller skating. I'm on my break right now. It's an hour break, so I think I am gonna go roller skating now that I have a reason to go outside and do stuff. So today is December 2nd, and I'm just gonna start it with day 2 Vlogmas, because yesterday, did I even vlog yesterday? I don't even know if I did have any footage of what I was doing. What did I do yesterday? I didn't do anything yesterday. So yeah, today is my first day of Vlogmas, but we're just gonna put Vlogmas day 2 just so I don't get the numbers jacked up. Okay, I'm going to get through all of Vlogmas, and in between the daily vlogs, I'm gonna be uploading videos that I've had pre-recorded, like Emmy, come here, like my summer vlog. I didn't put it up yet. My 2024 summer. Emmy, get in here. So my best friend's boy dog impregnated her girl dog and my girl dog. We think my dog is pregnant as well. Her girl dog just gave birth to puppies like a couple days ago. All the dogs are obsessed with them. My dog just she's not going to them, but she's going as far as she can and come back. Emmy, that's it. Leave him alone. She's not even all the way in her face. She just, like, she could smell them. She gets close enough to a point where she can smell them when she come back. Emmy! Hey! Working right now, and I'm doing my calendar. Now that Vlogmas is here, we can really get into it. Yeah. I actually am going outside today. I have to go retwist Justin's hair. And that's it though. I just have to retwist his hair. That's what I'm doing today. And yeah, I guess I'll take you guys with me. Just to come, I'll just put the camera up so you guys can see what I'm doing all day, basically in the crib. I haven't showed that my camera's about to die, but they're getting long, baby. Long. And these are all mine. I extended this one because it like stopped right here, so I extended all of this, and this one I was experimenting with. This was the first one I did. These 2 are mine. They're just extended. Everything else on me, baby. On me, baby. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just here. I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm finna eat. I ain't got shit to eat. Am I wrong? And I don't know what I want to eat. So, no, it's undone. We finna scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. So I'm just about to scroll up. Y'all already know what is going. Okay, it's charging. Good. I'm about to scroll up. But I was just like planning my December. I'm back on my digital planning. And I'm also gonna be uploading because I'm doing this. If you don't know, I'm doing this kind of playlist of how I ended up from having my apartment had my apartment, my car, a good job, to no car, starting over living with my best friend. And yeah, so I had lost my stuff for a minute and I just got my stuff back, so I'm back to my digital planning. I have some videos that were already pre-planned on here. That was already pre-planned, so I'm gonna film some of those. And my supervisor just sent us a message. We're on break though. Yeah, you talk about my love. Okay. My friend has a pink mist coming up. She sent us all, we're all supposed to be wearing like these pink satin pajamas. So you guys are coming for that too. You guys fall right in. The camera is pink, so you have to come. I've been also just trying to make a list of things that I'm getting my peoples for Christmas. But yeah, that's all. I am gonna do the face routine in a little bit. Like facial, like skincare routine. Like it's a face routine, not makeup. Skincare routine in a little bit. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do to it. Okay, I got. Actually, no, I'm not doing all that because I gotta go do Justin's hair. I just told y'all that, so I'm doing my hair. But yeah, you see how that's why I like vlogging, like the daily vlogging, because you guys get to see like me buffering in real life. Yeah, I want to get myself the ear clothes. Obviously, I'm gonna get my gift. I always get myself my gift last. Maybe I'll get it first. We'll see. And I'm gonna get myself Pandora set. Not a set, Pandora charms, not Pandora bracelet. I do have my work laptop in here because nobody calling me while I'm in the shower. Anything is off. I don't have any work to do right now, so I just sit around and then rush to get ready when I cough up. It's VLOGMAS!
Doing that night because I worked 7 days in the summer, nonstop. It wasn't no summer night routine. I came home and I slept. I woke up again. It was a bad routine, and I barely got time for myself. And I've been implementing new little self-care routines.
Be a career person, or you can continue on. But it was hard.
still got it. Ow. I have to do this move. Wow. We were all, and we just felt like it was, I think it's everything that we care about. It's about community. It's about the beauty in our community. And it's about words and language and how it's very freeing, especially when you think about a young Black girl being able to express herself through words.
Yes.
And just the history of who we are as a people and how words often were kept from us. It has so many deep layers that I think we don't even have to say, we just feel intrinsically. And I just think about the scene where she says, I don't need help from a truculent
All right, y'all. This is the final look. I'll put the flash on, but it's looking real blue. The light on the camera is a real blue. This one is more iridescent, more natural. But so I'm about to, like I said, I just did my makeup. I'm not leaving right now. I get off at 5, so I still have 2 more hours. It's 3:23. I'm about to roll again. And yeah, finish my shift, finish watching this YouTube video. And yeah, I'll probably like film me on my way to Justin's house. And then a little bit of me doing his hair. And then that'll be the end of the vlog. Okay, see you guys in the next clip. I don't know why my makeup is. It's the light. It's definitely light because it's like this. It don't look that bad. And it's not. Even in the mirror, it don't look that bad. So, I don't know what's going on. But I like it. Looking real zaddy-ish. Yeah.